Welcome to my channel. Today we are making a sugar scrub especially suitable for lips. This is an important part of the lip care routine as it is important to exfoliate your lips on a regular basis. Some time ago I made a video on how to make a lip scrub, and for that purpose I went on a tour to see what different shops had to offer. I did find some lip scrub in tube form, and I thought that this is super practical and user-friendly. They had different types in different price ranges. The one that we will make today, of course, would be very expensive as it uses only amazing quality ingredients without any unnecessary additives. As it needs to be twisted out of the little container, it needs to be a little bit more on the firm side, and today I'm sharing my recipe with you. Let's have a look at the different ingredients and as to why we are using those. First one is beeswax that will give this scrub a nice hard consistency that we need. Not only is it perfect to create hardness, but beeswax is a wonderful skincare ingredient that helps the skin to retain moisture, making it a great ingredient for dry, chapped lips. The one I'm using today is refined beeswax, but you can find the unrefined version as well. It has a gold or yellow tint and it has the typical honey scent. Depending on the flavor you are using, you could also use the unrefined version. Shea butter is said to have anti-inflammatory properties and is often used to heal and prevent chapped lips. It leaves lips soft and supple. We use sweet almond oil as it is very beneficial for treating chapped lips and giving moisture and natural color to your lips. If you are allergic to almonds, you could also use olive oil instead at the same rate. Avocado oil is skin softening and helps to give the lips a supple feeling, which is why it is ideal in lip care. Vitamin E not only does combat wrinkles and softens dry skin, it also plumps out your lips. And then our main ingredient is of course the sugar. Flavor oil is optional but a cool addition. You can use an essential oil or a flavor oil. Make sure whatever you use is lip safe. You will find this information usually on the website of your supplier. I will now proceed adding all the ingredients in a heat-safe container. You can find the recipe down in the description box along with all the ingredients and tools that I'm using or recommending. I will not add the flavor oil and the sugar just yet, but transfer this mixture into a double boiler. You can also use a microwave to melt down your mixture, and if you do, use short increments of 30 seconds so you don't overheat the ingredients. Now that the mixture is fully melted, I'm going to add the flavor oil and give it a good mix. I'm using a pipette because I find it very practical for small amounts of liquids. Now I'm adding my brown sugar. You can of course also use white sugar as well if you wish. I just thought this one would fit great to the caramel flavor. Now what will happen is that adding the sugar will make the mixture cool down and get clumpy. So you just go ahead and remelt it so that you are ready to pour. The pour is the most difficult part, and you might need to remelt it multiple times depending on how much tubes you are making in order for you to comfortably pour the mixture into the tubes. You could of course also pour the mixture into a tin and then scoop it out for use. I'm going to show you a possibility how to label these and make it more cool and personalized in just a moment. Don't worry about the mess, you can always clean up later. Once all tubes are poured, leave it to set and put the cap on. Here are some labels I designed for this particular project, and the members of my Buy Me a Coffee page as always can go to the page and download these for their own use and their own creations. If you're interested in more skincare DIY projects, you can check out the playlist on the screen where you can find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you next time. Bye!